Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Stellar XLM price is increased 2.34%. I think it's really great news because after a very long time, my friend, Stellar XLM is pumps up. So, my friends, when a coin will starting moving upward, then all credit I think goes to holders. Yes, because when a holder are starting buying, then the price is increasing. So this time you can see a Stellar XLM will get a profit. Alright, so I am going to show you, my friends, some more information about this coin. This is very important. This time, as you can see, my friend, the Stellar XLM price is completely, you can see here, increasing 0.3 USD dollar is the current price. Rank is 24. Market cap, as you can see, 9 billion. So this time you can see the change occurring. So the change occurring is also going positive. Just in only last 1 hour, you can see they will never negative, my friend. It's minus zero. So and last 24 hour plus 2.38% increase, and last 7 days 1.5. That's mean to in last 24 hours just in only they will get a very good profit. All right, so if we check out, my friend, the latest news, so this time you can see here Steeler to launch new Europe Africa payment corridor with the partner. Oh my goodness, it's really great news, my friend, for all you can see Europeans. So Mr. Beast joined Metaverse Steeler Army. Wow, that is really congratulations. If they will promote this coin, so I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to if they will collaborate with Mr. Beast. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time Stellar XLM will easily hit now 0.5 to 1 USD dollar. So let's see new Stellar Loman. You can see XLM price remains at risk of more downside. Oh my goodness, it's risky, but from last 18 hour, but in 24 hour result absolutely is gone very good now. So that therefore that's mean to this news is completely go fail now. All right, so my friends, my viewers, this is the latest updates which I share now. I hope in upcoming days they will collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will starting collaboration, so I hope, my friends, today will give you a double to triple profit. So see you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.